Hey guys, how's it going? Jeepopolis here, and today we're installing a sunshade on the Jeep. It is currently like 50 degrees outside in the middle of January, and we're lucky enough to have rain today. I'd kind of rather it be 20 degrees outside because I gotta take the hard top off. So this is going to be a one beer job, and we're gonna get to it. That's all, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, not to insult anyone's intelligence, but the first step to taking off your hardtop is to flip these panels in. There is one on each corner of the freedom panels, and then pull these two latches down. And that's gonna remove your T-tops. Alright guys, next step in removing the hardtop is going to be to removing the 6, 7, 8. There's a few. Alright guys, next step is removing the 8 bolts that hold your hardtop to the body of the Jeep. There's going to be 2 above the driver's side and the passenger side, and then 3 on each side of this back corner wheel here. We're going to remove those real fast. I'm not going to show you because I don't want to waste your time. And cue super speed.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a
Alright guys, so next step, I have to pull the Jeep forward a little bit so we can actually remove the hardtop and put it right here. And after we move the Jeep forward, we have to disconnect some of the wires in the back, and then we'll be all set.
to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
That's how you remove a hardtop. Alright guys, next step is to be removing the 4 bolts that hold in your windshield. Alright guys, so now we're going to unroll our SpyderWebShade. Alright, so he has the front side, so I'm going to go towards the back, and we're going to get this thing in place. Alright, so next you're going to take these little clips and clip them into the windshield.
For a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if
Next up, we're going to be reinstalling our windshield bolts. Okay, so SpyderWebShade provided us with some clear bra that goes around here, and it protects the roll bar from getting damaged. So I'm just going to clean this up real quick. I didn't feel like going and find some actual cleaning stuff, so I got some pre-dip solution and a rag. This should do just fine, because this acts sort of as a degreaser. And look at how ugly those factory welds are. Way to go, robots at Jeep. Alright, so it comes with 3 pieces, 2 corner pieces and then a long center piece. So we're going to pull the shade forward to see where these precisely need to go, but it should be roughly in this area. Boom. Yep. I am not the best vinyl worker, so we're going to see how this goes. Not very well.
Hey, you know what? Looks better.
Skate better! If you don't know what that's from, you're too young to be watching this channel. This would really help if you had some Windex or soapy water or something to assist you in applying it, but I'm way too lazy for that. This one went on a lot better than the other one.
Can't even fucking see it. Beauty. It's just not.
Yes, it will. Shut up, Mom. And then because they gave it to us, we're going to put it over this center section as well. And if I mess it up too much and don't like it, I'm going to take it off. Assistant, hold that.
I don't understand why they even bother with that. Weird.
There was a reason.
No shit, I slipped out of my fingers.
A likely story. I should use a heat gun with this.
This one didn't look good. Trash.
Straight trash.
Good to go.
Good to grow, Lance Criminal. Good to go.
Alright, now the fun part.
All right, so now I have to remove these 2 screws, and there's 3 to 4 more on the rear of the vehicle as well. All right. All right, so now we just take our little spider nuts here. There's no editing here. There's no outtakes. I don't know what you're talking about. But you know what I do got? Spider nuts. Oh, bolt. Got it. Thanks, Mom. That's poo. I've got the power. Sorry, camera. Hey, Jeep World, guess what? There's a whole nother side. That's the point there, Jethro. No, it fell out of the hole. That's what she said. We're gonna be demonetized. Shh, they don't know. Okay, and then do the other side. All right, everybody.
Alright, let me go first since you got the thing.
Our next step is to be connecting our shade. They give this really helpful strap to get some torque when you're trying to get these things together.
Okay, go ahead. Your turn.
This helps a lot. High five.
Hang on.
Nailed it.
Rest till the stress is breath in my chest, till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests, more blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never let I do enough to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see sun coming out of that rain. My team really my team. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over.
All right, guys. Our next step is to reinstall the top. Let's do it. right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I like the SpyderWebShades. I think they look cool. Hard recommend you get one for your Jeep because I get burnt in the summertime and I'm not even that white. So, I mean, I'd get one, but do as what you please. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, do all of that jazz. I have more stuff coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Peace.